What's up, y'all? Welcome to another vlog, and this one should be a quick install. Should. And what are we doing today, Christian?
You know it.
Oh!
Yeah, I wasn't gonna scream here.
Pod cluster install. Let's roll that intro, and let's see how this goes. So right here we're gonna install this pod cluster. Stan said it should be easy. He plugged it in pretty easily this afternoon. But what we're gonna do is install this bad boy. Right handy drive, little pod cluster there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me flip it right here really quick. This bad boy's supposed to go right here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Sam? Yeah. So remove it from right there, man. Yeah. What do you think, Christian? What do you think, Christian?
Yeah, I think it's good.
all right, man. Let's go. Let's get this gun going. All right, Alex. Hey, let me get a turn around here really quick. Let me put this here on the dash kit there really quick. All right, let's cut the scene right there. Yeah. First off, the items you will need is a heat gun. If you don't have one, don't use a hairdryer because it will not work. Oh, that wasn't funny. Never mind, because it won't work. Get a heat gun. This one on Amazon was like 20 bucks. It's lasted me for a whole year now, and it's been in my garage since forever. And I live in Arizona, so yeah, whatever, who cares? All right, yo, take the heat gun. This is my first time doing this. How am I supposed to hold this? Okay, so first time, I'm just gonna heat this bottom section here, because it's supposed to just clamp on, you know? So I need this piece here to like bend and mold. So I'm just doing this bottom section here. That's really all we need, you know? Just some light heat. Maybe roast some marshmallows if you have it, you know? I hope it doesn't catch on fire. But do you see any smoke coming from there?
I don't.
Okay. Now be careful, kids, not to touch the plastic, as the plastic gets really hot. Okay, all you want to do is just heat this so you can conform it to the shape of your pillar. Ain't that right?
That's right, a pillar.
A right side pillar.
Well, I mean, it's a pillar.
It's probably really hot. Okay, so now I'm just gonna jam it in there. Oh, that is really warm, bro. Form it into shape. Try and bend it with the plastic. Is it shaping? Probably isn't. Oh well. And then all we gotta do is just shape this top piece right here. Alright, sick! Oh, man, it's starting to bend. It's starting to bend a little.
Yeah.
Alright, here, let's heat it up some more. Alright. That heat gun, I can see it turning orange. Oh yeah, bro. All right, we just let it conform to, ow, that's hot. Oh my gosh. Ow, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that pot is hot. Ooh, that's hot. I hope it didn't melt in there. Oh my God, I hope it didn't melt in there. Oh my gosh. Guys, I hope it did not melt in there. I'm going to find out.
Well, at least you know it goes with your A pillar now.
Sick! Check that out. Okay. So it's kind of deformed in there. I mean, it's still kind of warm, honestly. I should probably post these. Alright. Look at that. Not too bad. Not too bad. Put the gun on the ground. Let's see if it'll close. Oh! Johnny Tran and his Asian buddies. Not too bad. Alright, all we have to do is just heat this. Alright, so now we have to heat the sides up so it opens up. Okay, so I know on YouTube videos they have a lot of those, oh, you have to heat this. Oh, you gotta take the pillar out. Oh, you don't have the Skyline. So, you're gonna have to I mean, this method's kind of working. I mean, no, it is working. Honestly, no one's gonna see the bottom half. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat this piece right here. Actually, since we're gonna do the inside first, I want the inside to mold first. I want this inside piece to mold first, since it's gonna go in like this. I want the bottom half to open up wide first, and then we can always heat this to shrink towards the top right here. And then that's what we'll do. So I'm gonna take the heat gun and I'm gonna heat this whole strip right here underneath and get it to shape to that piece. And then what we'll do from there is heat this side of the plastic. And then once we got the shape, as you guys can see here, the shape's starting to shape towards that corner section. And we'll do that. So I'll update you guys once we start shoving it in there, just to show y'all how it needs to go. But it's taking shape, y'all. I'm gonna trim a little bit more right there, just so that it fits there perfectly. But it looks like just by shaping the bottom half, without shaping the top yet, it's starting to fit pretty well. So that's about it, really. All right, y'all, so right now I'm just taking some trimmings off, which they do recommend using a grinder or whatever the heck that American tool is called. But I'm gonna do this Josh Lucas way. And then I'll just use some sandpaper and sand this down once I have everything right. And it's a top shape. Okay, so put this thing back in there. Look at this. Look at that, perfect. Look at that, flush, almost flush. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat this a little bit more. Pretty much it's just this top section here that we just gotta heat. And it's already molding into that piece. It's perfect. Heating that. Rub it in there. And should have it almost flush. And look at that. Look at that, guys. No drilling, no sanding needed. Just gonna heat this section up to kind of help it bend a little bit more over here. Here, down here. Okay. Just be careful not to burn your dash, obviously. And there you go. The bubble's gone. Oops, sorry. The bubble's gone. And look at that. Wow, look at that. Not bad, huh? Maybe heat this up a little bit more right here in this section, just to push that side down, just to shape it just a little bit more. All right, take your rack, push in that section, and then voila, it's all shaped in, bros. Look at that. Psh. We went from no fitment to almost perfect fitment. So I'll just heat this corner up here really quick. Hold it there. And this is hot. It's plastic. So I'd recommend wearing some safety stuff. Okay, let's check that out. Okay, so hopefully we didn't damage that hole right there. Oh man, look at that circle. Look at that circle. Just be careful not to heat up the circle. See, it's like obscure oval. But cool. Just let it cool. So this is a very unorthodox way, but I don't think I've ever seen anyone do a right cluster and put it on YouTube unless you're in Japan. Kudos. But I'm Filipino and I'm in America. So yeah. This is hot. So don't touch the plastic. Make sure you don't destroy your car. Yeah. But subscribe down below if you like this channel. Alright. Okay, so now that it has a shape, I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. And I mean, this is what it looks like. It looks like a deformed, I don't know, whatever you call this. But yeah, boost gauge is gonna go right here. Or should it go up here? Probably should go up here, huh? Boost gauge up here.
I would do the bottom one. I think it'd be easier for the eye to see.
But yeah, yo. So it's gonna go inside a thing like this. You can't really see this. This part probably like the design. And then, yeah, this thing's shaped. So what I'm gonna do is sit with the parts that I cut off. just like right here, I'm just gonna take some 150 grit paper and sand down the edges so it's a little bit smoother. Guys, so a couple videos ago, we did a poll on what you would choose if you chose the R32 or 33. This time, you got a choice. You get an R35 GTR or an R32 GTR. Let us know in the poll up top somewhere, and let us know in the comments what you think. Let's go check out this body holder. Let's go sand it down. All right, guys, so the pod holder has cooled down. But yeah, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna fit this, we're gonna sand it. Man, there's still a bubble there.
Seriously, bro? Your pod?
There's still a bubble. Just kidding.
Psych.
Alright guys, so obviously I didn't pick these. Why would I do that? I mean, if you were rich, I guess, but whatever. Oh yeah, if you haven't checked it out already, check out RSD Specialties. I'll leave the link in the back if you want right-hand drive cars from Japan. Legit right-hand drive cars from Japan. Check it out. This video is not sponsored by them, by the way. I just support people. So support me. Alright, cool. So, where's my sandpaper? Okay, so take...
I think you're gonna have to take that Patriots hat off if they want people to support you.
4-0, bro. Alright, so take your sandpaper. Usually you want to cut this, but all you want to do is just kind of sand. You see these like lips? You just want to take that out. Actually, I probably should cut these. Hang on. Let me get some scissors. No, I'm not going to stab anybody. No, we're not doing that today, okay? I know y'all want me to kill someone. Shoot! Yes, psych, you crazy bastard. You know, yeah. Okay, so you take a square, just like this, or a rectangle, still a square. I mean, whatever, I don't know, you know? And then you just take it, okay, you just do this. Take it around your finger, just like that there, dear. And you do this. Just sand this puppy down. Probably might sand it right there. But yeah. Take this, or if you have one of those like spinny nail things that you use for dogs' nails or your own personal nails, because you got bat claws or whatever, just use that on this plastic piece right here. No, I wasn't trying to be funny. I'm being serious. Your nails are pretty damn long. And I was talking to you, Christian. Just kidding. I'm kidding.
Hey, bro, you might want to paint that pod so it doesn't rust.
What? All right, you know, sometimes to make this faster, bros, you just take a cylindrical item,
Or you just use your teeth.
or be like Christian and use his teeth. You can take something cylindrical, like this. You know how you have those handle sliders?
Big words, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, cylindrical.
Big words.
Very big words. And you just grind it like this. So, all right, guys. So pretty much, all right, you get the point, right, guys? So I'll show you guys once we're done here. But yeah, we're gonna pause it because I'm gonna grind this thing for a few minutes. We'll show you when we're done what it looks like.
15-minute break. We'll be back.
All right, guys. So pretty much, I don't feel like. Well, we're gonna wait till we install the wideband to actually put the gauges in there. But in this video, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how to install the pod gauge holder, because obviously all you do is just take your pod gauges, right, that you have existing already, and you just reroute them along the car. Check this out, perfect fitment. You guys come in here, you guys have right-hand drive cars, slides right in. And from there, right, we're just gonna wipe this stuff off. What I plan on using is just double-sided tape. So some 3M along the sides right here. And then pretty much that's about it. So take a look at that. That's what they look like. So pretty clean, pretty flush. You just use that heat gun, and let me close the door here really quick so you guys can see what it looks like. Does not push up against the door or anything, but that is where the placement's gonna be. So there you go. All right, guys, that's how you install the pod gauge holder, moldy thingy, holder thingy with some skater shoes. So subscribe right here. Check out the previous video, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video.